What's up? So I'm back and I have kind of a cool update. Quite a bit has been done, but there's also still a lot left to do. So without further ado, we'll just jump right into it and I will show you where the car sits right now. So, yeah, I currently have, most of the hot side done, fully welded, all that's welded. I have the cold side completely done other than getting a blow-off valve. So, yeah, you can see the intercooler's down here and it just routes around down here. It's not the most efficient way, but yeah. I'm gonna have to put some heat shielding right here, just so that this silicone coupler doesn't melt. But man, some of my welds were on the aluminum were looking pretty decent. So they're not that bad. So I'm pretty happy with it. So that's where the car sits right now. If you look, this is gonna be a 5-inch downpipe. There's not gonna be enough for even if I do pie cuts with a 0 inch wide inside radius. There's not going to be enough room, so that means I'm going to have to do a remote water pump, which I guess is cool. It's a little bit more expensive than what I would want to do, but I got to do it. It's probably an extra $300, $400 on top of the whole build. As far as the radiator goes, I think I'm actually just going to mount it behind the intercooler and use the same mount down here. It's just a small 12-inch radiator, so I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put that yet. So that's where it sits. Chappie is freaking out. I did also kind of mock up where I'm gonna put the fuel cell. This is off center, but you get the idea. That's basically what it's going to be like. And then there's going to be, this will be hinged, there'll be a cover over this with a hinge. And so that keeps it separated from the car. And then this all goes off. I got some video of me welding the cold side that I'll put on right now. So, they're not like the best, but they're not bad. And then other than that, I'm just looking at kind of piecing together my fuel system. I have filters for the fuel pumps, the actual fuel pump. Just kind of piecing it together. Here's my regulator, and I'm leaving at the end of the month. I'm leaving at the end of the month for New Hampshire again for the summer. So over the summer I won't be able to get much done. When I get back I'll be doing little things here and there, but I still have to graduate in December hopefully. So this isn't really my top priority, but it's just nice. I think when things get kind of stressful I can come in here and work on the car. And then that's about it. Nothing really new. I still need to wire up the car. This is my new gold box. So instead of doing the Terminator used to do, I got this MS3 gold box for a really good price. And so the whole harness is complete and everything. There's a mini fuse box that goes with it. So I think this is I have to look through all of it, but I think this is the power wire. And it has its own fuse and relay. So, I don't know, I might just hook it up into this so everything's over the same, but that might be a little dumb, so I'm not really sure. Guess that's about it. Whoa, I'm really zoomed into my face. I guess that's about it. Kind of exciting, but also there's still a lot to do. And everything else from here on out is going to be little things that won't look as cool as opposed to like the welding and the actual fabrication of everything. But it's coming together. I mean, look, this engine bay looks like 90% there, but it's not. So, all right, other than that, I'm out. Chappie, say you're out. Who's there? Good boy. Tell him goodbye.